Toyota has surprised everyone with its latest release. Just a few days ago, the company unveiled the IMV Origin, a vehicle designed to be more than just a car. It's a platform that can be built and adapted wherever it's needed, especially in rural communities with limited infrastructure. The philosophy behind the project is as bold as it is practical. Deliver it partially assembled, so that the buyer, or even the community, participates in its completion. Toyota describes this concept as deliberate incompleteness. This way, it doesn't just provide a vehicle, it also creates local jobs, maintenance capabilities, and the freedom to adapt the design to the specific needs of each region. The IMV Origin isn't about luxury. There are no conventional doors, no unnecessary finishes. It's built to be rugged, modular, and easy to repair. Its structure allows it to transform into different configurations: a cargo truck, a passenger carrier, or a multi-purpose rural vehicle. Although Toyota hasn't yet revealed full technical details, such as engine options or complete specifications, the vision is clear: simplicity, durability, and low operating cost. It's aimed at places where a conventional vehicle simply isn't enough. Places where the machine must adapt to the land, the work, and the people who use it. As Toyota's president said, "We send the base. From there, each customer completes the vehicle for their own needs." So what do you think? How much would you pay for one?